Alright, what's good, guys? So, really quick, I just thought I'd let you guys know before the video starts. This is 2 videos in 1 video. It cuts off around like the quarter mark, just so you guys know. I thought I'd add like a video's footage that I was gonna, like upload separately, but it fits in this video, and like I feel like you guys would appreciate a longer video considering the wait that you guys have had. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and one more thing. Don't diss my hair. I hadn't gotten a haircut in like 3 weeks before I posted this, so just fucking leave me alone. I got a haircut.
Alright, y'all. So, I ain't posted in a while, you know what I'm saying? And like, I've been working real hard, you get me? It's been a little bit of a break, but if you come look to the left a little bit, got my new baby. This bitch was I don't know if you can read correctly, but this shit say sold. Motherfucker say sold. W cameraman just got slapped in the face with the goddamn soul sign. Speaking of, what the fuck?
Hi.
Why is Betsy here? I swear that's not my old car. I swear. Now listen here, young blood. I'm gonna need you to get your ass out the car. So basically what happened today is I robbed this kid for all his fucking money, and I went to the dealership and I bought a new car.
Yeah, fam. You took all my clothes off and everything.
We're about to go to drive, like an hour-long drive to Tilsonburg. We're gonna go buy a new camera because I'm tired of using, like, it's a good camera, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a good camera, but it's a good camera, but we're gonna go all the way to Tilsonburg and we're gonna go buy a new one for like a rack. Alright, let's go. But yeah, folks, like, this is the new whip, as you can see. Yeah, that's the new whip, boys. Hold on, let me.
Yeah, you show over there.
You know what I'm saying? We got like the Digi on the dash up here, and then we got the Digi dash up here. Yo, shout out Houdini. Yeah, like, yo, let me know in the comments if I should have got a different car, cause like I feel like I was gonna get an Acura ILX. I'll put it up on the screen. It was a 2016 Acura ILX. And then I don't know, we had some complications and the dealership ended up just trying to get me with this car. And it's a 2022 Mazda 3 GS. This guy's like Yo, do you guys ever count your money when it comes out the ATM? Hold on.
50 get 100 from me, I mean 100 from gang. It's right around to me then. Don't speak that shit away. Did you see?
Heard like squeaking noises. Are you recording the shitty blue Elantra up there? I would gap that shit any day. Okay, boys and girls. So we got the camera. $1,000 later. Imagine I threw it at Taj. That'd have been so funny. Yeah, today's a bit of a different video. We're gonna go pick up DK and Denver, and we're gonna go to a trampoline park today. Just, go fuck around. But yeah, so we're gonna go pick up DK and Denver and link up with some of the other guys, and then we're gonna go to Flying Squirrel, like a trampoline park in my city. I'm pretty hyped, actually. I'm pretty excited. It's about to be pretty lit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to picking up people.
You filling up whips and we sending out big
trampoline park, man.
You know the vibes. That's off too.
That's Mateo right there. Everyone stick with the middle finger.
You say
All 3 of us are doing it in unison. Wait, is the thing in the phone?
What? Oh, no, it's not.
Fucking cold, man. Yo, let's go. I'm not even kidding, bro. Let's fucking go. I'm cold as shit. It's whatever. We're good. Okay, boys. So, are we ready? Shoulda rollies. I had to get myself some socks. Hey, Hey, hey. This guy's leg buck.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Should I try a backflip or a front flip?
Do a backflip.
Okay. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That's so scary. I gotta get one today. I gotta get one today. Hey! Oh. It's not the first time you've seen a 6'4" person doing a fucking front flip. Okay. That was so scary. That was so scary. I don't want to do that again. Penis. Happy birthday! Come here, boy. Come here. Nah, give me the shit. Give me the shit. You know who they call me? George in the jungle. Oh my god. I think my penis fell off. Today, we show you guys a fat man. I dare you. I dare you to like jump from one to the other. On God, you won't. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, no fucking way.
Yeah, I swear to God, anywhere we go, this guy knows somebody. Do you have to tap? Okay.
3, 2, 1.
This brings me back to like elementary school fighting people.
Yo!
I just came off balance. Restart. Let me do one more. Fuck! Tap. Yeah! Dylan's right there. Okay, my mic's still here. I get to go first? Okay, we're playing pig. Because oink oink. I tried. Hey! Let me see what you got, DK. Hey! Hey!
Almost broke his face.
Tail. Oink oink! Oh my god, bro. How did you not make that? No. Fam, it's not in the way at all. You got that. Let me see what you got. There you go. Not enough. You're bugging. You're not making that. That's a waste of a letter right there. Oh, I lost it. Nah, that probably was the coolest thing I've seen in so long. This motherfucker. Alrighty then, so. Oh! Green. Bucket. Ooh. That could have been an injury, fam. Hey. You gotta hang on. You gotta hang on. Yeah, but he went behind the head. He went behind the head though. DK with the ball. Good. Here now, you know what I'm saying? You wanna see something? You wanna see something? Okay, bet. Denny's not ready. Oh, thank fucking Jesus Christ. If he made that shit, it would have been game over on my mama. Alright, ready, watch.
Oh my god, he almost hit that too. In his bag.
Yo, you good?
J1, you good?
Good? Yo, BabyJProduction? He's not gonna be in productions no more.
Everyone says that.
Your shit.
Yo, in my opinion, bro, that's Riz. What do you think about that?
Hey, you almost got me. I'm not doing no back.
It's cold.
Oh, lad, it's cold.
It's cold. Oh, brr. But yeah, we're done at the Sky Zone or whatever you call it, the Flying Squirrel.
I told Beds I was gonna win. It happens. Another day, another dollar.
My bick is digger. 18. She's probably still in school. Most people are still in school when they're 18.
Look, if you're stupid.
I mean, like I was in school when I was 18, and I was stupid. So. I'm like street smart.
6'7".
Give me that shit, bitch.
Are you bugging that?
I'm just kidding. You better like, comment, fucking subscribe.
Fucking leave that shit in the fucking bio.
And if you don't, you're drop a motherfucking comment.
Put a fucking 6'7" in the comment if you really like this.
There's a big collab coming up, okay? We're gonna be doing an actual giveaway, but you guys just gotta wait.
A free McChicken.
Do you ever get lost in your reminiscing? Get swept away in missing someone because one little thing reminded you of them? Do you ever find yourself floating back to those moments when you felt so close and could never imagine